just put the spiral flats on my Ubass, and I replaced my Pohoho strings, the rubber strings, with these, trying to see what the sound was going to be. But what I did not expect is all the string noise. I'm playing through my Bose S1 Pro. It's set on instrument input, and if I go to play, you'll hear a bunch of string noise, finger noise, like that. Just me touching and lifting off the strings, it picks that up. The gain on the treble, bass, and mid is at like half. Volume's at about half. I mean, it's just, that's not conducive to playing. So if anybody has an idea how to fix that, let me know. Thanks.